wipe. Just like that. And you look at it. You gotta look at it, because if you don't look at it. Hey y'all, so I'm back talking about hygiene. So if you're new here, welcome. Y'all, today we're gonna have our first girl talk. We talking about hygiene. I showed y'all some shit, so now we about to talk about it. We about to get deep into it. So y'all, pour you a glass. Got my glass right here. Got me some barefoot. So, woo, y'all better pour y'all a cup. I can't get it open. Hands. Okay. Pour y'all something. Cause this shit about to get real. That's just me. I guess that's enough for right now. You taste it. And that's good. That's peach, by the way. Okay, y'all, so we're talking about hygiene, so let's get straight into this shit. I'm not gonna sugarcoat anything in this video. I do wanna go ahead and say disclaimer, because some of the stuff I tell y'all, it works for me, so it might not work for y'all. Yeah, I know, I just keep it real, I gotta be honest, but let's get into the video. So the first thing I want to talk about toilet hygiene, because a lot of y'all don't know going to the bathroom, using the toilet, that is hygiene. For instance, me, I can't use everybody's bathroom. That's just me. Like, you can ask my husband, like, when we go somewhere, I'm not using anybody's bathroom. If the bathroom dirty, I'm not using it. Another thing, the tissue that's in the bathroom, some of y'all, maybe all y'all get the tissue and like you wipe with that. Me, if I don't have my wet wipes, I take the tissue because I don't know who touched it. I don't know where that damn hand's been. I don't know nothing. Like, I don't know. So I take that and throw that part away. Then I get the tissue. Then I wipe. So since we already here talking about wiping, some of y'all don't know how to clean your ass. Let's just be real. I'm gonna drink to that. Drink to it, because some of y'all don't know how to clean your ass. Now for to hit y'all with some real facts. You have to have a connection with your body. Some of y'all scared to smell y'all ass. Smell yourself. Because y'all know what they say. If you can smell yourself, you know damn well somebody else can smell you. Know what your ass smell like, okay? I want to know what my ass smell like. Know what your private. I call her cootie mama. Know what your cootie mama smell like, because I want to know what she smell like. Because if you don't know, you know, you gotta experiment. Like, when I was younger, I got a goddamn mirror and I look down there because I want to know what's going on. This is my private. And we just always had this connection. Get you some wet wipes, okay? Wet wipes, whatever kind of wipes. Let's say down there wipes. Flushable wipes, whatever. Get you some wipes. Let me show y'all this real fast. To the ones that don't know how to clean their ass, I'm going to show y'all how to clean your ass. So, this is tissue wipes, whatever that you want to say, because you don't need all that goddamn tissue that y'all be wiping around and trying to wipe your ass. No, you just need something small, because you wasting tissue. So got your tissue, your wet wipe or whatever. Some people sit down and they wipe like this. Me, personally, I can't do that. I just can't do that. Like, me touching the toilet and all that, that's disgusting to me. So I can't do it. So what I do, I get my ass up. And you gotta bend with this, okay? Like this. You gotta bend. Because if you do it like this, you ain't getting nothing. You see that? So if you bend, so that spread the cheeks over. And you wipe. Just like that. And you look at it. You gotta look at it, because if you don't look at it, you don't know what's back there. So you look at it. And if you see some shit on there, you fold that baby up. And you wipe again. Boom. And you look at it. If you still got some shit on there, you fold it up and wipe it again. You gotta keep wiping until you don't see no shit. I gotta give it to y'all wrong. That's how you clean your ass. You keep wiping until you don't see anything. Some of y'all wipe it one time, that shit ain't gonna work. Y'all gotta start wiping from back to front, because you taking all that shit and you bring it up here to cootie mama, and she don't need that, okay? So you get this tissue and you here, front it, back. So we're still in the bathroom, because we're still talking about toilet hygiene. A lot of y'all ain't washing y'all hands after y'all use the bathroom. Wash your hands. Stop being so nasty. Like, this is something that you have to do. Wash your hands after you use the bathroom or whatever. Clean your hands. All right. I told y'all gonna be mad, dog. Move into the next thing. Teeth hygiene. Teeth hygiene is very important. You have to brush your teeth. I don't care what y'all doing. Brush y'all teeth. Like, don't nobody want to be talking to y'all and y'all brush stink. Brush your teeth at least 2 times a day. I try to brush my teeth 2 times a day. 1 in the morning, 1 at night. I ain't gonna sit here and say I floss every day, all day, but I try to floss every night. Next thing, you want to use you a mouthwash. use mouthwash. Like, you can use it in the morning time, you can use it at nighttime, in the middle of the day. Hit that shit. And so we already 2 down. We done talked about the toilet hygiene. We done talked about brushing hygiene. The next is gonna be skincare. Like, you have to find you a regimen for your skincare. If you want this flawless skin, you gotta find something that's gonna work for you. Everybody's shit don't work. Find you something. So with me, I wash my face maybe 3 times a day because I just love clean skin. I tell you, I like to look good, feel good, and smell good. So I wash my face almost 3 times a day. In the morning time, maybe in the middle of the afternoon, and then at night before I get into bed. Another thing y'all need to do, before you get on your phone after you wash your face, wash your phone off because your phone is dirty. You had your phone all day. You done put it everywhere. You done did this. You done did that. So wash your phone because you done cleaned your face. Now you finna put your phone on this clean face. Now that shit back dirty. So skincare is very, very, very important, y'all. And y'all do know, like, I suffered from bad acne, depression. Whew, that shit was real. Moving right along to shower hygiene, my favorite. I mean, all of my favorite because, you know, like I said, I want to do it. And the reason why I do it because that's what I like to do. Like, this shit excites me. I love being so clean, smelling good. Just imagine walking past somebody and they're like, damn, what you got on? Or many times I'll walk by somebody, they're like, oh, she smells good. Like, I know, because, like, I'm top tier on this shit. Like, I do not play. So let's talk about shower hygiene. Y'all, let's talk about it because some of y'all scared to talk about it. Y'all have to take a bath. Some of y'all that's taking a bath every other day, that's not acceptable. Take a bath every day. You need a bath. You need to wash that ass. Wash that ass, okay? Don't nobody want to be down there doing nothing to that funky ass. For me, I take 2 showers a day. One in the morning time and one before I lay my ass down. That's just me. I have always been like that. I work out in the morning time. After I work out, I take my shower and I rip and run, do what I gotta do. And then at night, I'm gonna bathe my ass again because that's just something that I gotta do. I'm taking me 2 showers a day. And I'm probably gonna get me a good bubble bath maybe once a week. Sometimes I try to shoot for 2, but if I can't do 2, I got me 1. That's gonna be my pamper day. Okay, so now we just talked about shower hygiene. I'm telling y'all, take a bath 2 times a day. Like, even if you don't want to take it 2 times a day, take it 1 time. Take a fucking bath. Yeah, I gotta bathe. Like, y'all gotta know, it's certain ways to wash coochie mama. Like, do y'all even know? Like, you gotta open her up and, like, really, whoo! Baby, that's another story for y'all. That's another story for y'all. But y'all gotta keep her clean because it's just like a man. You know, a man that's not circumcised, like, he pull that meat back or that skin or whatever y'all call it, and he gotta clean that because they're right there. That's not sanitized. And same thing for women. We gotta open ours up and clean it. Like, clean that cootie mama, okay? All right, so we finna get right into my must-have, okay? The things that you must do when you take a shower. First thing, you're gonna have to use your soap, okay? Some of y'all that's using Dow don't go down there. I don't care what nobody say. Like, y'all can make a million videos saying that y'all use Dow and all that. It's an antibacterial. I don't give a damn. Dow don't go down there because she ain't anti. She shouldn't be that dirty anyway, okay? Okay, so what I use Dove. I use this one at nighttime, and I use the Degree after the gym. So I do want to show y'all that. Whew, because, baby, you know, I work out, so I feel a little sweaty. I'm gonna use that, but I'm not using no damn Dow. I don't give a damn. Cause Dow even make your skin feel dry. And with me, I'm for like looking good, feeling good, smelling good, and even tasting good. I'm just want some real shit tonight, like the wine kicking in. I don't even know if I told y'all how to wash her. Did I tell y'all how to wash her? I didn't tell you how to wash her. This is how you wash her. So how I wash my cootie mama, I use my hands and I just wash her. Wash her very, 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 very good. I don't give a damn what you gotta do. Wash her good. But anyway, so after that, we gotta go in with a little body scrub. I got so many damn body scrubs, I can't make my mind up. As of right now, I got 3. These must have. So the Tree Hut is cool, but how everybody's be hyping it up, it's okay. So I got this Tropical Glow. I told y'all can only get this from Ulta. So I do like this because it got shea butter. Let me go ahead and address that too because y'all also, it's called shea butter, not sheer butter. I can call it what the fuck I want to call it. Shea butter, sheer butter, is all the same. But anyway, I got this Tropical Glow. I told y'all in my video I had to get some more. But this is the Tree Hut and it do smell good. So I do got this. So this is a must have. A body scrub. Any kind of body scrub is a must have. The next one, I am a fan of this GG. This says no bump body scrub. I use this on my cootie mama. Y'all, She's super clear. But anyway, I want to try the new one. It's called Raw Sugar. And I want to use that one because they got lemon in it. And you already know what lemon do. Lemon lighten your ass up. So yeah, so I just use that down there. I don't use this anywhere else. It says body scrub, but for me, I just use it down there. But I can tell y'all, this batch right here, I don't know. It's just like, it's too loose. Like it ain't never been this loose before. So I don't know if they changed their formula or whatever. The top new also, because we used to have like a pop-up top. And I don't like this, like unscrewing it in the shower. I don't like that. That little pop-up, that was real good for me. But I'm using this. So, let me tell y'all. When it comes to a body scrub, this is my favorite fucking body scrub. I got this when I was in DC with my husband. But yeah, when I say this is the best fucking body scrub ever, but when you apply this, you still feel smooth after you get out the shower. You can't get that. Like you can't get that from this tree hut, and you damn sure can't get that from this. This right here, okay. So that's the body scrub. You got the soap first, then you got your body scrub. The soap, the first time it's like a pre-clean. Okay, you getting all the dirt out. That's a pre-clean. Then you come in with the body scrub, and now you exfoliating. All right, you getting all the dead skin off. Then you're going to come back in with you a body wash. It just depends what kind of body wash you want. Me, I'm a picky girl. The reason why I say I'm picky, it just depends how I'm feeling, so what I want to use. But I do use Dove. I just picked this up. This is called Soothing Care. Hydrate and replenish the skin. So anything that hydrates me, it's a go. Like, it's always a go for me. I love anything that keeps me hydrated. Hydrated and glowy. That's all I want to do. When I walk in the room, I want you to be like, damn, she's glistening. I don't put it on no towel. I don't put it on anything. I put it on my hands, work it in, and I moisturize my skin. It's just like the Dove Mousse. If y'all know what the Dove Mousse is, it's just like that. So I just, you know, moisturize it. Like put it in my skin and make it feel like I want it real smooth and silky. But after applying the body wash, it's time to get out the tub. So you want to rinse off real good. Y'all already know water is the #1 ingredient for anything. Hair, skin, nails, body, whatever. You make you feel better, you need water. Y'all don't wash up with that cold water. Okay? That cold water ain't gonna get it. With me, I need that little hot water that's gonna be like, whoo, shit. You need a little hot water, you gotta ease in. You be like, whoo, shit. That's how hot I need my water. Like, I want my water hot as fuck. Let me take another sip. This is important. Write this shit down, okay? Once you get out the tub, you want to catch your body at the best hydration level it can be in. And what I mean by that, when it's still wet, don't dry all the way off. Like, why y'all drying all the way off? Leave some of that water on your skin. That's how you get it soft. That's how you get it silky. That's how you get it hydrated. Leave some water on your skin. You want that shit to be hydrated. So while your skin's still wet, you're going to go in with that all time, baby. That Johnson Johnson. Okay? I told y'all in my haul, like, this shit right here, this shit get the body. It gets you hydrated. So you're going to go in with this shea butter, cocoa, okay? Oil gel. You're going to put that on your skin. You're going to moisturize. You see that? I keep my shit moisturized, like, because I just want to be, woo, at all times. You're going to go in with that, okay? Because that's going to lock it in. That's going to lock that water in. It's going to lock that moisture in. And you're going to be feeling good, looking good, and smelling good. You ain't even halfway done yet, but you still going to be looking good. So you're going to put that on. And after you put that on, you're going to go in with your body lotion. Whatever body lotion that you want to use. I told y'all I'm a fan of this Tropical Glow. It's the only body lotion I use, honestly. I don't use nothing else. I want to try some other things I might try, but I just feel like it's just me and her against the world, okay? But I use this Tropical Glow because it got some sparkles in it. It got the little shimmer. That's why I use this really thick. I just bought this one, y'all. And it feels good. Look at that. Ooh, it feels so soft. Yes, indeed, it feels soft. But anyway, oh, it smells good too. But after that, you're gonna go in with your butter. So now, bitch, smelling good in the motherfucker. He wanna eat you now, like for real. Now you got your butter on, you glistening, you doing all that good stuff. Don't forget about her down there. We done already exfoliated and all that good stuff down there. Now you gotta go in with the no bump solution. I showed y'all this in my haul. Y'all, the one I showed y'all, that Trend Skin was $18.99 at Target. This right here is $7.99. It does the exact same thing. The exact same thing. So this right here gonna keep it bright and tight and okay? So after that, I use my deodorant. Yeah, I used to use like powder deodorant. I stopped using powder deodorant because like my arms started being white under that. As you can see now, them babies not white. Them babies clear than a motherfucker. Clear. Because I use the clear gel deodorant now. And I really, really like that. It's the kind of deodorant I've been using. Good for that. Y'all remember I told y'all a while back, you need water, you need vitamins, you need all that good shit. So I'm still taking my vitamins. Still taking those women's vitamins. Also, I'm still taking my mackerel. So that's all my must-have. Like, you gotta have a body wash. You gotta have a soap. You gotta have a body scrub. So one thing I want to let y'all know, like, getting your hair done, getting your nails done, getting your lashes done, that is not a hygiene. That is just like a maintenance. That's just something that you want to keep up. That's a maintenance. But with this right here, this hygiene. This is shit that you have to do every day. Okay, y'all, so there you have it. I just wanted to give y'all a girl talk of the shit that we need to do, because like this shit we gotta do. We gotta be looking good at all times, smelling good at all times, and feeling good at all times, because if you're not in the best shape or form or fashion, then you're not gonna feel good about yourself. I'm doing all this shit because this what high value women do. Like, if you want to be a high value woman, like, you need to level up to the shit that you need to do. And this right here, hygiene, that is the number one. Like, how can you be this bad bitch and you ain't doing what you gotta do, okay? Some of y'all walking around with these motherfucking lashes on, long ass hair, nails and all that, and ain't even washing y'all ass. I said all that to say, wash y'all ass. With that being said, the girl talk is over. I'm a little tipsy. Okay, y'all, so that's it for now. I just want to put y'all on a little bit more game with this hygiene shit, because, you know me, I love to look good, smell good, and feel fucking good. With that being said, if you don't know, I'm Nicolee Sutton, Mop Week. Out! Let's go.